Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for today, get your aprons ready because we're gonna be making something so mouth-watering, brisket grilled cheese sandwiches. These are quick and easy and they will just melt in your mouth. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below because I upload 3 quick and easy recipes every single week. They're always fun and fresh and have a unique twist to them. Now let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to be starting off by roasting my piece of meat. I'm placing it on a pan with a few vegetables, and this is going to infuse the meat with delicious flavor. I'm sprinkling it with some garlic, salt, and pepper, and it's going to be roasting in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes, and this is going to cook until it's well done. This is what it looks like. It smells delicious. We're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. We're gonna be slicing it and getting our sandwiches ready. I have here some sourdough bread. I'm going to spread some softened butter on one side and place it on the panini grill. Could always do this on a pan. I'm going to be sprinkling it with some cheddar cheese, and I'm taking that thinly sliced meat, placing it on the bread and adding a little more of that cheddar cheese on top. Now I'm doing the same with the other slices of bread, and make sure that the side that has butter on it is facing up. I'm going to close this grill, and these are going to cook until they're nice and golden brown and all that cheese is going to be melted and delicious. This is what they look like. It really only takes a few seconds here, so be sure to keep an eye on them. And that is pretty much it. Your grilled cheese brisket sandwiches are ready. Serve these with some thick cut steak fries or some coleslaw. They're just such a treat to have. That's it for my quick and easy recipe. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget that the recipes are always written down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.